So you can see my patio tomatoes are doing really well. A couple on this. Now this is truly a patio tomato. I thought this one was going to be, but I'm thinking maybe not. So it's going to be what it's going to be. So here's my bucket. Here's my potatoes with our little drawing that I put on there when we need added soil. As you can see here, we have sprouted. So we're going to add soil up to about here, and that way the potatoes will have something to grow in. And this is the same organic soil that I used in the bottom of the bucket. Just adding some more to it. We're going to cover those right up. And make a mess while we're at it. Down in there good. Perfect. Still got a little bit of leaf showing. Those will keep growing. When I come out to water everything else this afternoon, I will water this in. We'll let them grow. We'll let them bloom. Look like they're dying off. We'll dig them up and see what we get. And at some point I'll sweep off the porch. All right, up to the greenhouse. Good morning, ladies. Good morning, ladies. How was everyone this morning? Everyone good? Did we have any eggs today? Brought you some treats. Brought you a treat. One egg. One egg, girls. That is just what I'm gonna get, isn't it? All right. Busy today. Brought you a treat. Brought you a treat. Look there. There you go. Water, you got real food. All right. Have a good day. Well, as you can clearly see, I am sad to report that our bare root strawberries have done diddly squat. Now, I mentioned when I planted them, I've never done bare roots, so it was probably something I did or didn't do. Live and learn. So today, we're going to take this. Now, the other strawberries are doing great. They're doing great. New growth, blooms, the whole bit. So today, I'm going to plant some other things in the greenstalk. If it all comes up, fabulous. I'll keep it all. So I picked out some things I want to plant. I've got some zinnias that I'm going to put on the bottom tier because they're supposed to get tall. So if they get tall, they'll just grow up here and it'll be pretty. I've got some daisies. I kept seeds from Gerber daisies last year. My very favorite flower is a Gerber daisy. So I'm going to put some Gerber daisies up here. I got some lettuces, a couple different kinds of lettuces we're going to put in here. Got some cosmos, some poppies. I think that's it. So, it's kind of sprinkling. We'll see if we can get through this before we get rained out. But we're going to go for it. I made some tags to put in these so I remember what I put in there because I'm pretty bad about planting and forgetting. And I would have a video record of it, I guess, but still. Gonna tag them. Got my granddaughter's little rake here. That's gonna come in pretty handy. I don't know that I've ever grown daisies from seed, so they may be all over the yard because they all just blew away. But we're going to do it. We're going to poke those down in there. We'll cover them up. See what happens. Pretty pretty. Just let them blow all over the yard and see what happens. Of course, this is in the mowing area, so they probably get mowed down. All right, here you go. There we go. Well, if I remember right, these were white daisies. So, and they're the Gerber daisies. I may have said that already. Alright, so there's just some Gerber daisies. Next up, let's do some lettuce. I'm going to put lettuce like here and here. We got sweet peas that did come up. Yay! So we're going to leave our sweet peas there. I'm going to put some arugula here. I got tags for these. Has that one got lettuce in it? Nope. Alright, I'll do something else there. All right, lettuce, and arugula. I really like arugula. I like the real peppery taste that you get with arugula. More than just plain lettuce. We can't eat iceberg lettuce. It's one of those things we like it more than it likes us. So we don't do the iceberg lettuce, but some of these other leafy lettuces we might use on a hamburger or something sometime. All right, mix that up a little bit. Put a few in my hand. I'm not going to use them all. I'm just going to sprinkle them in. I'm going to put a pretty good amount. If they all germinate, chickens are right there. They will love them. All right, let's just tamp those down a little bit. We're going to water this good after we get all done. Now this is really wet because we did get a good rain yesterday. So that's a good thing. If you have any suggestions on what I could have done for those bare root strawberries, please let me know. Like I say, I've never done bare root anything, so I'm flying blind here, but I'm trying. So if you have some suggestions, let me know, and I am not afraid to try them again next spring. All right, handful of these here. We'll put the others in on the other side. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. The wind really kicked up about this time and made it very hard for you to hear me over there. So I'll tell you what I was doing. I started out with some leafy lettuce. We like leafy lettuce on hamburgers and things. We don't do a lot of iceberg lettuce. Just can't stomach it. Then I decided to put some cosmos on that row. And this was a mixed variety of cosmos. Some red and pink and white ones. And about that time, I noticed our neighborhood cat. Now this is Charlie. And Charlie lives next door mostly. They have a chair on their front porch for her. I think it's a her. But she wanders back and forth and is very talkative. So that's our neighborhood cat. Down the bottom, I'm going to put some zinnias and some poppies. And these are a taller variety of zinnia. So if they get tall, They just get tall and they should be fine. If they get too tall, I can cut them and use them as a cup flower arrangement. And poppies are a California poppy. It's a yellow one. I've never grown poppies before, but package sure was enticing, so thought I'd give them a try. Right. And there we go. So maybe this time around we'll have some better germination. So you can turn on the water, give it all the good water, and we're good to go. All right, one last chore this morning. I got a stalk of celery with my, or a bunch of celery with my last Azure standard order. It's sprouted, look at that. So I'm gonna take it over, stick it in a spot and see if it'll grow. If it grows, great. If it doesn't, oh well, it was fun to try. All right, so here's a little bit of marigolds that are not doing anything either. I'm going to stick it right down here in this corner. I've never tried to grow celery before. One of those things. You hear about it, you got to try it. So here I am. Take it, just like that. Cover it up. All right. Well, the sun's trying to peek through. It might come out, and if it does, it's gonna get hot and humid. So I'm gonna finish up what I'm doing, go in the house and maybe make myself a root beer. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching with me, and we'll see you next time.